AddBike. Have you seen a bike with a basket that's supported by two wheels and is big enough that you can make an infant sit in it? This right here is called AddBike. It's designed as a possible solution for everyday routine ecologically. The uniqueness of this bike is the wheels that are supported by a tilting system that can be adjusted as per the need. It features a tilting locking lever that provides stability to the bike when standing still. The cargo box in the front is adjustable to the needs and can carry a weight of around 35 kilograms. AddBike is a handy cargo bike with a price starting at $924 approximately. Tricycle, or you can call it a tilting bike with 3 tilting wheels designed with a combination of flexibility, fast cornering, and total control on the ride. It gives a maximum tilting angle of 30 degrees and a maximum steering angle of 60 degrees. It's driven similarly to a two-wheeled bike, but gives more safety. It features a Zehus all-in-one motor, giving a top speed of 25 kilometers an hour and a 30-volt lithium-ion battery, giving a range of 30-plus kilometers. It's a smart bike that can be connected with an app to manage the travel data. One can customize it by attaching a small basket in the front and rear. The estimated starting price of Tricycle is $3,285. Rumble Motors introduced a fully electric cafe racer bike. Its frame design is similar to a bicycle, but is more than that in actuality. It's a futuristic electric moped that's sustainable and affordable. It features a hub motor that gives a maximum speed of 70 kilometers an hour and a 60-volt battery that gives a range of 80 kilometers. Other features include an LED headlight and tail light, side mirrors connected with the handlebars, a kickstand, rear suspension, and more. The approximate price of this cafe racer bike is $3,495. Cluuv. Having a huge cargo platform in between two wheels would be something that everyone would like. Cluuv resembles more like a family bike where a parent can go out with their kids sitting in a cargo seat with a weatherproof cabin. It's an e-bike supported by a 250-watt motor giving a maximum speed of 25 kilometers an hour. It's the most flexible cargo bike with an ergo seat offering plenty of space and is equipped with 5-point belts for the safety of children. It features an integrated immobilizer lock for theft protection. The estimated starting price of Cluuv is €7,619. Max and Meleon passenger bike. Max and Meleon presents before you a passenger bike with a huge passenger seat, an electric and eco-friendly alternative to the car. It's designed with a comfortable foldable seat and a cargo platform that can carry groceries and packages up to 100 kilograms. It's designed with tilting technology, adding more fun to the ride, and can be driven smoothly on any terrain. It features a seat belt, lockable trunk, load securing system, glove compartment, and more. The estimated starting price of the passenger bike is €8,490. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks a lot for watching the video till the end. Do comment down below on which bike you like the most and stay tuned for more such videos.